Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kovo. So today we are going to solve April LeetCode Challenge Day 22 and the problem is design hash map. So in this problem we have to design a hash map without using any built-in hash table libraries, and we have to implement my hash map class in which we have a constructor that will initialize the object with an empty map and void put that will have the parameter key and value, and we have to insert this key and value pair to our map, and there will be a method get that will return the value corresponding the key that will be passing through the parameter, and there will be another method that is void remove key, and we have to remove the key and value pair of this key that will be passing as a parameter to our method. So in this example, first instruction is to create a hash map. So we have to first create a hash map, then there is a instruction that is put. So we have to put 1 and 1 to our map, that is the key is 1 and the value is 1. Okay, after that there is another instruction put and the two key values are 2 and 2. So we have to put 2 and 2 over our map, that is the key is 2 and the value is 2, and there is another method get. So we have to return that 1 is present in our map or not. Yes, 1 is present to our map and the value corresponding to 1 is 1, so we have returned 1. And the another instruction is get, that is calling for 3, so we have to return the value corresponding to 3. So we have returned -1 because 3 is not present in our map. Again another method is get. No, the another instruction is put. So we have to put to our map, but 2 was already present in our map, so we have to just modify the value as 1 because the new key value pair is 2 1, so we have to modify the previous value of the key to 1. Now another instruction is to remove, and we have to remove 2 from our hash map, so we have to remove 2. Then another instruction is get. So in this get instruction we have to return -1 because we have already removed 2 from our hash map, so we have returned -1. So let's code this. We can easily do this by using an array. Let's declare the size of array is 1 and the 5 zeros 1. We are using this size of array because in the constraint it is given that key value pair will not exceed 10 to the power 6. So we have declared the size of array as 10 to the power 6 plus 1. So we can easily store key value pair to key as their index of our array. So first we will set each element of our array to -1 because we have to return -1 if the key is not present. Now so we have to just put the key as the index with the value pair. Again there is a get method, then we will just return our key value. Then again remove is called, so we just have to make the key as -1 as it was previously. So let's run this. So we are done, so let's submit. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is Ria signing off. Meet you tomorrow in the next session of coding.